Today we're going to talk about triangles, particularly if they are similar or not. Similar triangles. Two triangles are similar if the corresponding angles are congruent and the ratio of their corresponding sides are proportional.
Sa figure na to, makikita nyo na ang angle A, B, at C ay congruent sa D, E, and F respectively. Note, congruent triangles are similar. Dahil ang congruent triangles ay parehas na equal at proportion, at ang similar triangles are proportion. Therefore, ang congruent triangles are similar.
Here are the different postulates that prove the similarity of two triangles. The first is the side-side-side or SSS. If all three sides in one triangle are in the same proportion to the corresponding sides in the other, then the triangles are similar.
Sa figure na ito, makikita na ang side AC at DF ay proportion, at ang side AB at DE ay proportion. Same goes with CB and FE. Dahil sila ay pare-parehas sa proportion, masasabi na ang triangle ay similar.
The next postulate is the side angle side or SAS postulate. If two sides in one triangle are in the same proportion to the corresponding sides in the other, and the included angle between them is the same, then the triangles are similar.
Dito naman sa figure na ito, makikita ng side AC at PR ay similar or proportion, at ang side AB at PQ ay proportion din. Dahil isa na lang ang kulang na angle or side man, makikita na may sign ng congruency ang angle A at angle P. Therefore, by SAS postulate, they are similar and congruent.
Angle or AAA similarity postulate. If all three angles in one triangle are the same as the corresponding angles in the other, then the triangles are similar.
Ito ay tinatawag ng AA postulate at tinanggal na ang isa pang angle dahil ganun din ang kakalabasan kapag minus mo ito sa 180 at kinuha ang x or ang remaining value. Parehas silang magiging congruent, which is similar by its nature.
The next topic that we're going to talk about is similarities between right triangles. If the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse of a right triangle, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other.
Dahil ang altitude ay bumubuo ng dalawang right triangle at mahahati nito ang isang angle na nasa opposite ng hypotenuse, masasabi na ito ay magiging similar through AA postulate o AAA postulate.
The next is geometric means theorem. In a right triangle, the altitude from the right angle to the hypotenuse divides the hypotenuse into two segments. The length of the altitude is the geometric mean of the lengths of the two segments.
Line segment BD over line segment CD is equal to line segment CD over line segment AD. By getting the geometric mean, you will know if the two triangles are similar or not.
The last theorem. In a right triangle, the altitude from the right angle to the hypotenuse divides the hypotenuse into two segments. The length of each leg of the right triangle is the geometric mean of the length of the hypotenuse and the segment of the hypotenuse that is adjacent to the leg.
Dito makikita na ang geometric mean ng bigger triangle or the whole triangle is equated to the geometric mean of the smaller triangle.
Thank you for listening.